Welcome to my channel Gaurang the Motivator. Today I'm here to narrate you the story of Lord Vishnu's sixth incarnation, Parashuram Avatar the Warrior. Long ago, there lived in the forest a Brahmin priest called Jamadagni. He was very religious and had 7 sons, headed by Parashuram. He also possessed a wish fulfilling cow called Kamadhenu. This magical animal could give one whatever one desired. Still, as a true Brahmin, Jamadagni lived very simply in his humble cottage. One day, Parashuram was away from home. King Arjuna, who was traveling through the forest with his army, came upon the hermitage. As is the custom in India, Jamadagni happily received the king and his army as his guests. With the help of Kamadhenu, he offered a huge feast to the king and his. Instead of being grateful, however, the greedy king stole the cow and left for his capital. Shortly afterwards, Parashuram returned. Hearing of the theft, he became as angry as a trampled snake. Dressed in a black deer skin and with matted locks of hair, he took his axe and shield and was fearful to behold. He pursued the wicked king, apprehending the army as they approached the city's gates. There followed a terrible battle. Wherever Parashuram whirled his axe, severed arms, legs, and head stumbled to the ground. As he killed men, horses, and elephants, the ground became muddy with their blood. Parashuram challenged the king. He chopped off his arms and with a final swing of his axe lopped off the king's head. Happily returning home with Kamadhenu, Parashuram told his father everything, but Jamadagni was not pleased in the slightest. "My son," he said, "you have sinned by killing the emperor, the protector of the citizens. The duty of a Brahmin is to develop the qualities of forgiveness. The Supreme Lord is pleased with those who are forgiving." Parashuram felt sorry and repented his foolishness. To stone for his sin, he set off on a pilgrimage. After 1 year of visiting the holy places, he again returned home. One day, Parashuram and his brothers were in the woods near the hermitage. The sons of Arjuna, seeking revenge for their father's death, stealthily approached the cottage. Seeing Jamadagni seated alone in meditation, they crept up from behind and chopped off his head, carrying it away. Parashuram and his brothers, hearing the mother's screams, rushed back to their home. Overcome with grief and anger, they cried over their father's body. With eyes blazing, Parashuram again took up his axe and pursued the murderers to their capital. In the midst of that city, he created a mountain of heads severed from the bodies of King Arjuna's sons. The ghastly river of their blood flowed throughout the entire land, bringing fear to the hearts of all kings who disrespected the Brahmins. Because the rulers remained sinful for over 21 generations, Parashuram killed them all. From the blood, he created 9 lakes, which later became filled with water. Today, many Hindus go there on pilgrimage and bathe there, remembering how the government should always respect the Brahmins. Parshuram Kund is a sacred place in Arunachal Pradesh, situated 13 miles to the northeast of Tezu. The Kund has been recognized as a pilgrim spot visited by a large number of devotees on every Makar Sankranti Indian Harvest Festival. Devotees from different parts of the world visit this place. This sacred place leaves an indelible impression on the minds of the visitors as well as pilgrims. Legends say that Parshuram killed his mother with an axe as commanded by his father during this. The axe got stuck to his hands and he wandered all across India visiting sacred places for atonement. But all was in vain. Then he came all the way to the Kund where he took a dip and the axe came free and fell down. The spot where it fell became the source of Lohit river. Since then, the Kund has been known as the Parshuram Kund. This is how the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Parshuram Avatar, ends. For many more videos on incarnation of Lord Vishnu's avatar, stay tuned to my channel Gaurang the Motivator on every Saturday sharp at 6:30 am. I am also coming out with coaching of physics for class 8th, 9th and 10th to boost up the knowledge of students for the CBSE, ICSE as well as the state boards. Please subscribe, like, comment and share, and also share your opinions in the comment box. Thank you.